What if the road wasn't just a place you traveled, but the place you lived? Because for some, adventure isn't a weekend hobby, it's a way of life. And in 2025, Ram just gave those wanderers their ultimate chariot. This is the all-new 2025 Ram ProMaster Camper Van 4x4, a beast built for the wild and refined for the soul. Would you live in this van for a year? Comment below. It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't need to. The 2025 Ram ProMaster Camper Van 4x4 has a design that's bold without begging, rugged without being rough. Raised clearance, all-terrain tires, and a new aggressive front fascia say one thing: I go where roads end. But what really changes the game is that 4x4 badge. This isn't just a delivery van with dreams, it's a purpose-built adventure rig. You've got a 3.6L Pentastar V6 under the hood, strong, dependable, and now mated to a torque split all-wheel drive system that adapts in real time. Not just traction, confidence. And it's not about horsepower anymore, it's about where that power can take you. The 2025 ProMaster 4x4 delivers 276 horsepower with precision-tuned control for unpaved trails, backcountry access, and bad weather escapes. You step inside, and you don't just escape the road, you transcend it. Fully modular layouts, premium finishes, off-grid systems that laugh in the face of silence. It's not just a camper van. It's a cabin on wheels. A fortress of solitude. A mobile base camp for your wildest dreams. With a 270-degree swivel captain's chair, solar-powered kitchen setups, wet bath with composting toilet, and enough lithium to power your lifestyle, this is freedom wired in. Imagine waking up to the sound of nothing but wind through pine trees. Digital doesn't have to mean disconnected. With the 2025 ProMaster, you get 12-inch Uconnect infotainment, satellite internet integration, onboard diagnostics you can control from your phone, rear-view AI for towing and obstacle detection, smart climate zones powered by solar-charged batteries. The only place this van won't take you is back to ordinary. Starting at around $76,000, the 2025 ProMaster 4x4 isn't cheap. But what's the price of waking up next to a glacier? Or watching the stars from the desert floor? Fuel efficiency averages 15 to 17 mpg off-grid. Maintenance. Built on one of the most serviceable chassis in the US. You're not buying a van. You're buying a life shift. This isn't for everyone. But if you've ever looked at a map and felt your heart beat faster, if you've ever hated the 9005 more than you feared the unknown, if you're not just chasing views, you're chasing peace, then maybe, just maybe, this van was built for you. No steering committee, no permission slips, just you, the road, and everything you didn't know you were missing. The 2025 Ram ProMaster 4x4 camper van isn't just about where you're going, it's about who you become when you get there. Because some people wait for the perfect time to live, and others build it into their van. Final text. Subscribe for more. Your journey starts here.